This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. Today we've got a shiny red new 2026 589 in Coca-Cola red, 80-inch high roof, double bunk, 280-inch wheelbase. It's got the legendary package on it. It has the new LED pod headlights on it, Texas style chrome bumper, stainless visor, 4 roof mounted air horns. We've put auxiliary lights in front of and behind the engine air cleaners. The 13.2 capacity steer axle is also air ride. Got a 150 gallon fuel tank on this side. Frame mounted toolbox. Frame is also paint matched red. She's riding around on 11R 24.5 Continentals and polished Peterbilt wheels. The aluminum fifth wheel. Stainless mud flap hangers. Has 40,000 pound low air leaf rear suspension. 336 gears. And it also has locking differentials. We're on the driver's side. We've got another frame mounted toolbox. 100 gallon fuel tank. Stainless def tank cover. It's got the stainless rocker panel trim underneath the cab. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you'll see our airbags for our air ride suspension. We've got a 605 horse, 2050 torque Cummins X15. Behind that is our 18-speed Eaton manual transmission. This truck does have air disc brakes all the way around. Take a look inside. Interior features our platinum interior. Does have a battery disconnect switch down there on the floor next to the driver's seat. Air ride leather driver's seat. Cup holder mounted to the floor. Touchscreen navigation. Digital display. Truck has 9.3 miles on it. Got some overhead storage. Our unit in Bearcat CB radio mounted in the center of the header. And our 80-inch high roof sleeper, double bunk. It also has an 1800 watt inverter with shore power. Got our microwave shelves wired for 115 volt outlets. She's loaded up and ready to ride. We have 5 of these available, all spec'd exactly the same. So if you could use 1 or 5, give me a call, 706-372-4698.